Drop the screw.
Nope, gotta find it. Needle in the haystack.
Yeah, they didn't give you an extra in the package, did they?
I haven't checked.
Is there things you have to like adjust here?
Only because they have a specific wall switch. Usually you don't have to do anything. Over there somewhere there's a wall control specific for this fan. But we're gonna kill the switch here and then wire it to the switch behind the bed. There. Is that saying you have power?
No, I think just my thing's all wacky.
I think that thing's lying to you.
I think so, right?
So I have the switch over there cut out of the wall. No, yes you did. Trip the arc fault. When you hit a neutral and a ground together, it'll trip an arc fault.
Snug fit.
Very. Kelvin, you done yet?
Almost.
You can cheat.
Oh, it actually sounds good. It just doesn't sound like it'll sit well.
Yeah. It was what? Hot roast beef, bacon, blue cheese,
Oh my god.
cheddar, and a roll.
I'm surprised that's affecting your stomach.
I'm surprised too. I didn't eat a lot.
You eat some weird stuff sometimes. I've seen a lot of McDonald's in your bag. Go tell them, hey, your food is sitting worse than McDonald's.
It was good though.
As long as it was good. The aftermath, oh well. I disconnected the switch. Converted that switch over there to a single pole. And this switch now is technically like a dummy switch. It doesn't operate anything. Should be
You still alive, Dion?
Still alive.
Let there be light, and there was light.
The customer is, she's been living in the home for like 40 years, and she said it just looks old, so they got a new one. You basically got to get these to line up with those two holes on the side. So like, at least for me, because you're kind of just like aiming in the dark, you know, because you're just basically trying to line it up as best as you can. Actually, I think I'm wrong. Nope, yep, I'm wrong. You just gotta take this out.
Okay.
Usually, sometimes you do.
Yeah. I made it easy for you.
Yeah, thank God. Yeah, sometimes you have to. Sometimes you just have to, like, depending on the fixture, you just have to line it up and just got to kind of guess. But with this, it's nice because then you just put it up, wire it up, and then you just push it right up, and then seal it like that. Still not too bad. I feel like I'm gonna crack it.
So, see the 4 screws on the outside?
Yep.
Get those down.
A few moments later.
Drop the screw. Nope, gotta find it. Needle in the haystack.
Houston, we have a problem.
Found
it? Holy cow!
Good recovery. My bottom glass does go in after. That's nice.
Yeah.
Took me a while to figure it out.